guys up here, please. Thank you. So today we're going to be talking about order of operations. In fact, this whole week, it's going to be like our introductory unit. We are not going to begin with Unit 1 until next week. So this week, think of it as Unit 0, where we are going to be looking at the basic skills that you need to be successful in math. That includes how do you solve operations with integers and order of operations, right? So in front of you on your laptop, you should have this open, 4-4s, order of operations. Do me a favor and write your name. And this is period 6. You are going to be submitting the notes. So the classwork from today, you will be submitting it, which is why I'm asking you guys to write your name. So that way I am able to give you points for the work that you've done in class. All right. At this time, I would also like to ask one of you guys from each group, one person, please come up and grab a whiteboard and a marker. All right. At this time, I want to give you guys your roles. So every person in the group has a different role. Listen up so that you know what your role will be today. If your table is facing the board, that wall over there, raise your hand if your desk is facing that way. Okay. You are the task manager for today. What that means is you're responsible for your group, making sure that everybody is on task and everybody is working together. Give me a thumbs up, task managers, if you understand your duty for today. All right. If you are facing the window, raise your hand. All right. You guys are the timekeepers. I'm going to tell everyone how long I want you to work for on a certain activity. Timekeepers, you are going to be responsible for telling your group how long they have to complete the task at hand. Timekeepers, give me a thumbs up if you understand what your duty is today. If your group does not have a timekeeper, because there's like a person missing, then one person might have 2 different jobs, right? Just you have to deal with that. All right. That leaves 2 people remaining. 2 people that are currently facing the board. If you are the person sitting closest to that wall, raise your hand. Okay, you are the recorder. That means that you are the only person allowed to write on the whiteboard. Give me a thumbs up if you understand your task or your duty for today. So if you don't have the whiteboard in front of you, that person needs the whiteboard in front of them right now. Go ahead and do that. Finally, that leaves one last person in your group. You are the digital recorder. You are the only person allowed to write on the laptop during the activity. Make sense? Thumbs up if you understand your task. Once again, that person is the digital recorder. They are allowed to write on the laptop. The other people are not allowed to write on the laptop. Only that person. Okay. So, do you understand what your duties are for today? Yes? Give me a thumbs up if you know what your duty is. Okay. So, here is the task at hand. Using a combination of 4 4s, can you make every number between 1 and 20? Here you have some examples. So, for example, how can we come up with 1? Well, what if we do the following? Using a combination of 4 4s and any operations, plus, minus, multiply, divide, how can we get 1? Well, in this example, we're saying 4 divided by 4 plus 4 minus 4 gives you 1. Is that true? Let's find out. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. That checks out. So we got a 1. Okay. What about 20? Same thing. Combination of 4 4s and any operations to give you 20. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. That checks out. All right. So you're going to go ahead with your team. You're going to come up with different ways to get numbers 1 through 20. Do you understand what your task is today? Using a combination of 4 4s and any operation out there. All right? Timekeepers, I want you to put 15 minutes on your timer app on the laptop. Find the timer app on the laptop, 15 minutes. All right. You guys can go ahead and begin now. All right, so hopefully now that you went around group to group, you were able to get almost all of these. I know some of you guys were not able to get 19 or a few others, so we can check that together. I want to go group to group and get the different methods in which you guys solve the following. Let me start with the first group, table 1. What did you guys use to solve for 1? Like this? Okay, this is going to give you 0. You need like a plus or a minus in between the parentheses. There it is. Okay, very good. All right, table 2. How did you guys get 2? Like this? Right here? This one. This one. This one. To the square root? Like that? Oh, okay. Very exotic. Like that? Let me see. Oh, okay. So 4 plus root 4 minus root 4 minus root 4. Okay, just for reference, anytime you have a square root of 4, what is the square root of 4 going to equal to? 2. So we're saying here 4 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Where 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. All right, table 3, how we get 3? Four plus 4 plus 4 divided by 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Very good. Table 4, Sammy's table, how'd you get 4? Square root of 4 plus the square root of 4? Plus 4 minus 4. Excellent. So here we have 2 plus 2, which is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. Good. Table 5, how do we get 5? Mm-hmm. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Divided by 4 is 5. Good. Number 6, how do we get 6? Table 6. Kumani's group. Yes. Kumani's group, how do we get this one? Will we get 6 or no? No, we'll come back to you guys. Let me move on to Violeta's group. 6, how do we get 6? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Like this. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Very good. Number 7. Let me move on to the next group. Radiance group. Number 7. (44) divided by 4 minus 4 like this. 11 minus 4 is 7. That checks out. Very good. What about 8? 8 group. 8. Sorry? Yes. Angelica's group. Yes. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Minus 4 is 8. Good. Oops. Brian, do you have one? I'm just kidding. Okay, I have one for 9. 4 over 4 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. 10. I'll take volunteers for 10. Any group that want to share how they got 10 before I call in a group? Sammy? Mm-hmm. Very good. So that's 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Great. 11 is a hard one. Chances are you got it from me. Okay, I'll tell you how to do 11. 44 divided by the square root of 4 times the square root of 4. This is going to give you 44 over 4, which is 11. Okay. Why? Because 2 times 2 is 4. 12. How do we get 12? Here from let's see. Sammy's group just went. Jordan's group. You guys have one for 12? See this? Yeah. Let's see. That's 2 times 4, which is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Excellent. Good job. 13. Let me check in with Icarus group. 13. Do we get 13? Mm-hmm. Okay. The square root. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 11 plus 2, which is 13. Excellent. Yeah, good job. That works out. 14. Anyone get 14? Anybody get 14? Chase, you get 14? Did you get 14? 4 times 4 plus square root of 4 minus square root of 4. Let's see. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus. Wait, does that work? I think maybe this. Oh no. Minus 4. I think it's minus 4. There you go. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. Okay. 15. Anyone get 15? 15. The sooner we finish this, the sooner we go on break. So if you have 15, you want to volunteer, this would be a good time. Go ahead. So 4 times 4 minus 1 is 15. Good. 16. I'll give you that one. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. 17 is an easy one. 4 times 4 plus 4 over 4. That's 17. 18. And I think I helped you guys out with 18. Was that right? You guys have that one? Yeah? Go ahead. So that's 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. All right, 19. Anyone get 19? Okay. We're going to have to use 4 factorial here. So 4 factorial, what 4 factorial means is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. Okay. You guys probably don't know what 4 factorial is. So once again, 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. So 24 minus 4 is 20, and 20 minus 4 over 4 is 1, so that's 19. So look, this is what we're going to do. So 4 factorial minus 4 over 4. That's 24 minus 4, which is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. Okay. I'm just going to show you what that is. All right. And finally, 20. All right. Who came up with 20? Anyone come up with 20? Go ahead, Sam. So that's 1 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1, no? Plus 16. Wouldn't that be 17? 4 divided by... Oh, okay. 4 divided by 4 is 1 plus 5. Like this. Okay. All right, that makes more sense. Hey. All right. Very good. So let's take a 10-minute break. You guys can get your cell phones at this time. All right. Once again, if you guys write the following down real quick, which expressions are written the same but have different results? So you'll notice, obviously, all of these are different combinations of 4 4s. But the main difference is the order in which they are solved. Okay. Once again, go ahead and type this down, please. You'll notice all expressions are practically the same, the main difference being the order in which they are solved. Some operations are different, like if we include, the radical 4s, which is the square root of 4, or if you include the 4 factorials. Those are different, but for the most part, it's just a combination of 4 4s with different order to the terms. All right. So here is the next task. Next task is the following. Timekeepers, I want you to put 5 minutes on the timer. Give me a thumbs up when that's taken care of. Timekeepers, 5 minutes on your timer. Okay. Rest of you guys, all together, you have 5 minutes to fill in the missing steps to arrive at these final answers. So sample 1, sample 2, sample 3. All you're doing is moving around the parentheses. Where are you going to place your parentheses so that for sample 1 you get 21? Sample 2, you get 25. Sample 3, you get 12. You have 5 minutes. Time starts now. Okay. So that is time, you guys. Let's take a look and see what we came up with. So for problem sample 1, where am I going to place my parentheses for sample 1 so that I get 21? Or should I even use parentheses? What are we going to do here? Go ahead. Between the 3 and the 2. So if I do 3 and 2, I'm going to get 5. Yes? 5 times 4 is going to give me 20. And 20 plus 1 will give me 21. Okay? Very good. Thank you. Sample 2, where should I place my parentheses for sample 2 to get 25? Go ahead. Where? Here? At the 4 and what? Right here. Okay. So if that's the case, then I should probably do this as well. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And that checks out. Thank you. See you tomorrow. 25. Sample 3. Haley, go ahead. Around the 2 and the 4, that's going to give me 3 plus 8 plus 1. 3 and 8 makes 11. 11 and 1 makes 12. Thank you. All right. Any questions on sample 1, 2, or 3? All right. Let's take a look at number 3. What are some reasons languages have so many rules? Look at the example in the left-hand side. Let's eat grandma versus let's eat, comma, grandma. What's the main difference between these two? One of them without a comma, right? It's saying let's eat grandma, which means you're going to have grandma for lunch or for dinner. That's kind of weird. Or you could say let's eat, comma, grandma, which is saying, hey, grandma, join us. We're going to eat together. All right. Think about, or actually come up with a sentence. Never mind. I have it over here, already here for you. You were supposed to come up with a sentence, but I'll give it to you. The reason why there's so many languages, the reason why there's so many rules in languages is because it's going to help people understand each other when they speak, and it is there to ensure clarity. So go ahead and copy that sentence down. I forgot to delete that from earlier. Okay. Once again, the reason why languages have so many rules is for clarity purposes, to get your message across. All right. Finish copying that down. Timekeepers, here's your next task. 15 minutes. Add 15 minutes to the clock. Timekeepers, 15 minutes. Give me a thumbs up when you have those 15 minutes on the timer. I'll see you on Thursday. Have a good day. What's that for? To go home? Yeah, you're just going to go to the main office. Yeah. All right, timekeepers, 15 minutes on the clock. Everybody, you are working on number 4. Questions 1 through 16, you have 15 minutes, which is going to be basically when when school ends. Anything you don't finish in class is homework. We are not going to be working on 5, 6, or the closure, so you don't have to worry about those. Once again, only part 4, which are problems 1 through 16. 15 minutes, start now.